I'll help everybody out, all right? Oh, it's a cop.
I've been following you since you left work, son.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, man. I didn't even know. Okay, all right. What's up, man?
I was chilling. That's my old neighborhood over there.
Oh, okay.
I grew up off of Ashland and Hughes.
Got it.
I was like, I'm gonna sit here and correct reports, and I said, if I got my good stealth mode on, I was barely a sliver, dude, where I could barely see around whatever the store is a little bit to the south. I saw you zip out. I was like, man, he's not gonna let anybody ride his bike in the parking lot or anything. He's just gonna cruise out and go home.
Yeah.
So I was like, I'm gonna wait till he hits Ashland and see if he actually goes down Ashland. I was like, all right. I stayed behind you all the way down Ashland, had a couple cars, and then I got to Fruit. No, I got up to Thorn right before Palm, and I shot all the way up to Gettysburg, cut over on Gettysburg, and then I blacked out and I saw you go northbound on Palm. And then I was staying behind that little Mini Cooper.
Yeah, I saw. I was like,
he turned off. I was like, man, you're messing up my buffer, bro.
I look behind me and I don't have mirrors on this thing, so like I just see a light behind the Mini Cooper. The Mini Cooper is going super slow. The Mini Cooper didn't even come up to the light on Shaw, so I was like, why is he not coming up to the light on Shaw? And I didn't see you at all.
I was a cop either, dude, because I stayed back from him for.
Oh, got it.
Yeah.
I didn't know either.
He was just cruising like 35 the whole time, man.
Dang.
MrCentralDriver?
Yeah, what's up, man?
What's up, bro? Can I get a picture real quick?
Yeah, that's cool. What's up, man?
Right, he got rolled up on it.
You want to get? Yeah, what's up? What's going on, man?
And I know that guy.
How's it going, man? Nice to meet you, man. You watch all the videos?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Trying to get some exercise in. We're from like Ampersand's and Clovis.
Oh my God, you guys came forward. You guys came from this way.
We came from Milburn. We went all the way down there, go all the way back.
Oh shit. How long is it gonna take you to get back?
30 minutes.
Dang. Is that electric?
Nah.
Oh dang.
Hey, what's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Seth.
I know your mom. I went to ask her.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah.
Only full circle.
Yeah, right? That's what I was saying.
Your face looks.
All right, man. Have a good night, man. Be safe.
Good talking to you, man.
You too.
He's coming, so go slow. I'm gonna pull off here. Hey there, partner.
Hey, y'all aware your headlights aren't burning?
Hold on one second. What was that?
You're aware your headlights aren't burning?
Oh, mine should be on.
Neither one of them was on when you guys went by me.
Oh, I'm sorry. I must have clicked it down on accident. My bad about
You
that.
have to have them on in Tennessee.
Okay.
Plus, I just didn't want y'all to be out at night and
Oh yeah,
have it.
Oh yeah,
Be out in the middle of nowhere.
Definitely. I appreciate it. How you doing?
Doing good. Y'all having a good time?
Yeah, trying to. This is my buddy. Drove all the way from New Mexico to come out here. I told him it's.
Ride out here?
Huh?
Did he ride?
He trailered it. Yeah, no, that would have been crazy if he rode his bike out here.
Good deal.
Yeah.
Good deal. Well, y'all have fun.
Thank you. You as well. What's your name?
Millsaps, Trooper Millsaps.
Nice to
Sorry,
meet you.
Introduce myself.
Yep.
With the helmet there.
I appreciate it.
Y'all have your licenses with you?
I do. Yeah.
I just have to check.
Yeah. No.
The ticket,
Of course.
You're good. Your headlight has to be burning.
Okay.
Neither one of them was burning when you went by me. Okay. I told him, not that I'm really worried about. I just didn't want y'all to be out in the dark and be up here and not be able to fix it.
Totally get it. I appreciate it.
You guys, how long you here for?
Today's our last day.
Last day.
Yep.
Well, at least the weather's.
Yeah. Well, we got here Saturday. Last Saturday. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday was just rain. Yeah.
Good deal. Good deal. Y'all be safe.
Hey.
Have a good time and be careful, okay?
Thank you, sir.
You guys, be careful.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yep.
Be safe.
Have a good one. You as well.